Are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 25 seed St. George's College up against number 57 seed Maggotty High. This is the 50th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. St. George's College is represented by Stefan Mingos, Roshane Gilpin, Nathaniel Foster, and John Mark Young, while Maggotty High School is represented by Kimberly Robinson, Lorna Swaby, Deb Jerry Vernon, and Shantoy Campbell. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 36th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and St. George's won. They have decided to go first. And so we begin. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's have the time on the clock, please. St. George's, we begin with mathematics. Solve the equation minus 5x plus 20 equals 25 for x.
Minus 10 and plus 10.
Now x equals minus 1. Mathematics Maggotty, solve the inequality. Minus x plus 4 is less than minus 8 for x.
X is equal to 4.
No, x is greater than 4. International affairs. Georges, this is a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Trevor Monroe.
Correct. International affairs, Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Floyd Morris.
Correct. Bible knowledge for St. George's. To whom in the Bible was King Agrippa speaking when he said, "Thou almost persuadest me to be a Christian"?
Peter.
Incorrect. Paul. Bible knowledge for Maggotty. Who in the Bible asked this question? Who is this uncircumcised Philistine who defies the armies of the living God?
God.
Incorrect. David. Music. St. George's, listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Otis Redding.
Correct. Music for Maggotty. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
I'm so in love with you. Whatever you want to do.
Frank Sinatra.
Incorrect. That's Mr. Al Green. Physics for St. George's. What is the name for the ratio of the change in heat energy of a unit mass of a substance to the change in temperature of the substance?
Critical temperature.
Incorrect. Heat capacity or thermal capacity. Physics for Maggotty. What is defined as the extension per unit length due to an applied stress?
Strain.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for St. George's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Morgan Freeman.
Incorrect. Dennis Haysbert. Theatre and cinema for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Cindy Poitier.
Incorrect. Louis Gossett Jr. And Spanish for St. George's. Translate this expression to English. ¿Cuántas personas están enfermas?
How many of them are sick?
Incorrect. How many persons are sick? Spanish for Maggotty. Translate this expression to English. No pueden oír el timbre de la campana.
What do you like?
No, they cannot hear the bell ringing. La campana. St. George's, this is your sports question. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
O'Shane Thompson.
Incorrect. Rothman Powell. Sports for Maggotty, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Shea Hope.
Incorrect. O'Shane Thomas. Literature. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores are St. George's on 2, Maggotty High on 2. It's now time for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Chemistry. The question is, what is the chemical formula for sodium bicarbonate or baking soda? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.